topic from the bottom of a bowl, a robin on a mailbox, and a hole in my shoe. You said, tell me something that might be useful somehow. So I gave you what I had, a pocket full of rain in an open parking spot. It falls where it wants, on a rooftop or on me. Makes the whole day honest, and starts again on its own. Pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. Hold it in your palm, let it say your name. Pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. Small strange gift in the middle of the day. I watched a kid with breadcrumbs feeding pigeons by the curb. He laughed as they surrounded him like he already knew their song. And a dog with crooked legs kept time with falling drops. I thought maybe random things are the ones that never stop. They slip through the cracks, make a rhythm out of gray. If you're looking for a meaning, it just rains that way. Pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. Hold it in your palm, let it say your name. Pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. Small strange gift in the middle of the day. So if I seem a little unsteady, I'm just standing in the rain, counting every little drop like it could turn into anything. Pocket full of rain, pocket